20th July, Samsat Chalo. I request each and every one of you to join it because this is a fight to ask accountability of our elected government. It is not just the students' strike, it is the future of their lives. It is disturbing every citizen of this country. Enough of just sitting at homes and seeing youngsters fighting. No. I think we all have to come together because if they have come to the students today, tomorrow they'll come to you too, and that's what we are seeing. As responsible citizens of this country, it is very important to question, to show dissent when the corridors of power don't want to be accountable. I will be there, many similar thinking people will be there, and Sonam Vanchukchi, he's not a small man. He's a learned man. He's always fought for the country. And if he is on a hunger strike for this support these children, that means there is something genuine in this struggle. Come, let's walk together peacefully, asking for accountability. I think we can do that much. Thank you.